everybody? I know it's been a long time. This is Johan, YH Images Photography, and we are here at the Cincinnati Red Stadium, my hometown. You know, we lost 3 in a row, but you know what I'm saying? We'll be right back in first place, believe that. But I'm right here with Jessica. She don't like the camera, but she's not considered a model. She's considered somebody who just beautiful. We just snatch them up like, hey, you modeling today, like. So if you get in her inbox and she don't hit you back, you know, for gigs or anything, hey, she just don't really do this. But we about to get started. I'm shooting with the Nikon Z8, and I'm finna throw my 50 1.2 on here, and we finna get these dope shots. Let's get to it. So, yep, so you're gonna be more off this way. Yeah, I got you. You ain't have to get all the way up on it yet. Hey, that's dope where that bat is at, so keep that bat right there. Yeah, so right now I'm shooting at 320 at 2.8. I've actually got my 24 to 70 on here instead, because I want to kind of capture a lot of this background. Okay, here we go. Okay, I like the way my background looks. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. A little too hot. There you go, Jess. Here we go. Perfect. Stay there. Feel like something bit me. No, I know that about them bugs. Stay there. Oh, that's dope. Take that other hand hat. There. Take your hand. Matter of fact, yeah, stay there. Go there, go there. There, yeah, stay there. Move your elbow out though. Hold on, I'm gonna get a lower angle. So I can get all of this. So I'm gonna move it. Yeah. Now you're gonna put this on your back. Yeah. No, don't get up there. You're gonna lean forward off of it.
Should I move my hair? Tell me.
No, that's dope. So look, we're gonna get a few shots like this, and then we're gonna get the other shots with the hair in front of you. Okay.
So after we got these shots, I wanted to like kind of focus on you know, getting some of the stadium in the background. So we kind of used Jessica to turn toward the stadium, and we got this shot, which I love this shot. This shot came out great. Then I wanted to bring my Westcott just a little bit closer to her so I can get that in there. Then I thought like, oh, might as well, you know, while she's there, I might as well just try to go in and get a headshot. So this is where I kind of thought about it and went for that headshot, and this is how it came out. Thought that was really nice. So we decided to switch it up a little bit, and I wanted to get some shots of Jessica actually sitting down, and it was a statue in front of the stadium where I wanted to get those shots at, with her sitting right there. I wanted her to point the bat at me and kind of give it that, you know, that out of focus type of feel to it, and this is how it came out. That came out good. Then we got some other shots, and that's how those came out. Those came out really nice. I really love those. And here we are on the street side, and I like the Cincinnati C, so we got this. I thought that was an amazing shot. The colors pop. Love the reds colors. They just really bright and vivid. And we got another one, and that's how that one came out. So I was very happy with this shoot, and that pretty much came out exactly how I visualized it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to follow Jessica as well. And I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.